honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, I want to show you guys how to make a really simple little note card for Mother's Day. I've been working on these little note cards. I thought it was really fun and easy idea, and I wanted to put it out there for you guys so maybe you can create some of these adorable little note cards for Mother's Day. So what I did here was very simple. I made these really fun little cards, and what I also did is I attached a really awesome tea to the little note card as a little gift for Mother's Day. I thought this was a really good idea. It would be fun to just add any kind of tea that you have at home. If you obviously we are all kind of like limited to go to the store, so if you have teas at home and you have a little bit extra that you can maybe give away, this will be a really fun way to pack them up and give them to someone for Mother's Day. So I made a few of these. I made this one with the cute little bird and the amazing heart for Valentine's Day that I am obsessed over. You guys know that already. I have these really pretty, adorable stickers. I also cut out a little square of lace, and then I added another one of these hearts to the center. Attached it to some really awesome tea. This tea has rose, chamomile, lavender, flower tea, and it's just a really fun idea. So let me show you how to create these fun little note cards, okay? So what we have here is, move this over so that you can see what I have going on over here. So what I did here is I actually just already cut out my note card. You guys know what I do with my note cards. If you're new to my channel, welcome. What I do is I use one of these little mini note cards that I get at Michael's. I use it as a sample. I basically just use it as here. Basically all I do is I just use this as a sample for my paper. I cut it out and I make it to the same size. Boom. That's all I do. Okay? So, once you have your little note card already cut out, the paper that I'm using is this gorgeous paper from Prima. It's called Love Story. I am obsessed with this paper. I think it's beautiful. It's so appropriate for Mother's Day. It has so many beautiful gorgeous prints in here. This is the paper that I'm using for the note card. It's absolutely gorgeous, this paper. I'm gonna be probably doing another 1 or 2 Mother's Day projects, and I'm going to be using this paper for it because it's just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so let's get this party started. Okay, so what are we gonna do? I got our note cards here, and what we're going to do is we're going to decorate our note cards in the front. Very simple. Let me put you closer to me. Oops, that's too close. Okay, I have stickers here that I'm going to use for my note card. Decide on what stickers you want to use. It doesn't have to be these particular stickers. You could use any stickers that you have at home. Again, we are limited to go out to buy stuff at the store. So whatever you have at home that's kind of have like floral, or it's kind of like a girly sticker, would be perfect for incorporating in a Mother's Day gift note card. So I'm going to use these stickers that I got at Michael's a while ago. And I love these flowers, so I'm going to use this flower for this project. I'm also going to use the bird. So I'm going to use the flower and the bird. I'm going to add some dimensions to the back of the flower. So when I add it to my paper, it gives me a nice little dimension, and it kind of lifts up the flower, and it looks pretty. I like the way it looks when you add dimensions to the sticker. So this is going to go roughly right there. Okay. And then we're going to get a little bird that we have here. And I'm going to also add some dimensions on the back of him. Just one. And so we're going to glue down the flower to the little note card. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue just to secure my flower from not going anywhere. And I'm going to add my flower roughly around this corner right here. Make sure that your sticker is not bigger than your note card, because when you put it in the little envelope, it's going to give you a hard time. So just make sure that the sticker is small enough, okay? We're going to add the little bird right over the flower. Oops, it's a lot of hot glue. Okay, so add the bird right over the flower. And then what I'm going to do, the last thing I'm going to do to my little note card is I'm going to add a really fun little heart from the Dollar Tree. This is from the Valentine's Day. I love these hearts. You guys know how obsessed I am about these hearts, and so I had to use it in this project because it's just so freaking gorgeous. Look how pretty these hearts are. It makes it so pretty. Such a really, really girly little note card. And that's literally all I did to the front of the card. I mean, look how beautiful that looks. I love it, right? Okay. The inside of the card is going to be very interesting because what I wanted to do was I wanted to add something fun. So I went to my stash and I got these like really fun lace. And what I did was I basically just cut a little piece of lace that fits in my little note card. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue my little lace onto my note card, just like I did here. See, back here you have a nice little lace and then you have the big heart in the center. So we're going to do the same thing with this one. Now don't go glue crazy. Just add little dots of glue to your lace and add it to your card. And then go back and add like a little tiny dot in every little corner, the 4 corners. You don't have to go glue crazy. Remember that lace is kind of like, the more glue you put on the lace, you will see through. So you don't want to go glue crazy. Just a little tiny dab of hot glue to every corner of your lace. And that will, oh crap, this one bent it over here. And that will help it adhere to your paper. Okay, there you go. See that? How cute. See how pretty that looks? What we're gonna do is in the center of the lace, I have the big heart. I want to add this to the center of my note card. Just like that. If you want to add like a Happy Mother's Day little sign, or you want to write it in, you can do that if you want. I didn't do that with any of these. I kind of kept them simple, as you can see. But the idea of putting Happy Mother's Day would be a good one because obviously it's for Mother's Day, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach my T on this side of my little note card. I already added a little piece of double-sided tape right there. I use this one, and I just have a little, like, you know, little tiny piece of double-sided tape right there, and that's where I'm going to glue down my T. making sure that the tea bag doesn't disturb your little note card when you close it, okay? Make sure you pay attention to where you're going to glue down your tea bag, because if you glue it down too close to the edge of the note card, you're not going to be able to close it, okay? So there you go. And that's how I did this adorable little mini note card. You see that? You put the tea over here, this adorable little lace with the heart. Now I do have this little sign that says Happy Mother's Day. I might be able to put that maybe perhaps in the center of the heart. I don't know, maybe in the top over here. Maybe I can put it over the tea. I'm not gonna do any signs or any like Happy Mother's Day little stickers to these, because I have plans to do something else. But again, if you want to, you can, okay? And that is literally how I put together this super adorable little mini note card. Now you're going to add it into the little envelope. It might give you a little bit of a hard time to stuff it in the envelope because obviously it's a little stuffed. But if you're gentle and you're careful and you have patience, it will fit. It will fit. I promise you. See? There you go. See that? And what I also did, I added a cute little heart to the front of my little envelope just to give it a cute little look to it. You can also, if you want to add Happy Mother's Day, you can do that to the little card in the front. That would be cute also. And yeah, and that is basically what I did here. And that is how I was able to create these really fun little note cards for Mother's Day. See that? Yay! You see how easy that was? How simple? I hope that you guys got some ideas to create these really fun little note cards that hold the tea. Let me know what you guys think about this really fun idea. I'm going to be making another video, maybe 1 or 2 more for Mother's Day. I'm going to be doing a tag for Mother's Day. And then maybe like another video for you guys, okay? I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. I will see you guys on my next video. Please be safe out there. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like, comment. And I love you all, okay? I'll see you soon. Bye.